Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. So today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of Milton Copper Charge 960 ml bottle. So without wasting time, let us quickly unbox. So as you can see, as it is a Flipkart assured product, the packaging is very good. So you can see this come in a nice package packing of Milton. One thing is assured of Milton product, that is the quality. So according to uh, Milton, if you use the copper bottle, it will increase your immunity, aids weight loss, promotes healthy skin, slows down the aging, boosts health heart, beats anemia, and it increases the healthy digestive system. So let us quickly unbox. The packaging is very good. So also it has a 6 month warranty from the date of purchase against any manufacturing defects. So this is made of pure copper. As you can see the Milton branding here on the lid. So before using first time, you should clean the bottle using vinegar and salt or lemon and salt. Mix lemon